My father's name is Subhash. My father works at KBSL. He takes us for trips. Sometimes he likes to eat string hoppers. He likes to drink fruit juice. His birthday is on October 24th. He is 43 years old. He likes to swim in the swimming pool and the sea. When he was small, he went to St. Thomas's College. He likes to sing and dance. He likes dogs very much. Sometimes he gets late from office. He helps us to do our schoolwork. He brings us toys. He likes to work on the computer. He loves our family and I love him too.